everyone, Josh May from Riccar Vacuums here. We're talking today about the R65 Cordless Stick Vacuum from Riccar. We're going to talk about the lights and the controls on this machine and what they mean and how they work so you know how to use your vacuum cleaner. So right now it's on the charging station. You see these blue lights going back and forth here. That means it's charging. Now the lights go off when I take it off, put it back on, and it's charging again. Okay, so that's how the charging lights indicate that it's charging. The next lights you're going to see, and I'm going to point out to you, are on the nozzle here. There's 6 LED lights. So I'm just going to turn it on, point those out to you. 6 LED lights down there when the electric power nozzle is running and cleaning your carpets or hard floors. The next thing I want to talk about, and try not to look at the LED lights again, is up here on the control panel. There's an auto setting, there's a plus and minus. There's also a bar over here of blue and a bar over here of red. When I turn it on, you'll see it. The blue bar is the power or the suction of the machine. The red bar will be the dust sensor when it's detecting debris and stuff coming into the vacuum and whether it needs to kick up for more power. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. You'll see the lights. I'll point them out and then we'll talk about it some more. Okay, the red light is detecting dust, and there isn't any right now because we've got a clean floor. The blue light's the power. There's an auto symbol there. There's also 2 other symbols that would come on if there was a problem with the machine, either a clog or a jammed roller. Those would light up right here as well. So this unit will always default to the setting you had it on before. So when I turn it back on, it's back on auto. I turned it off auto, turned up a speed. It's back on that same speed. You can adjust that, you can control it manually. There's gonna be times when you don't want it on auto because maybe you're doing drapes or blinds and you don't want it to have so much suction that it pulls them off the wall. Other times you may wanna boost it up and you can manually override that. So how does the dust sensor work on my R65 vacuum cleaner? Quite simple actually. There is an infrared laser light that sits right here on the machine. As debris gets vacuumed in, if we're on the auto setting, you don't have to override it and make it do more power because you think it's dirty. It'll detect it and it'll kick on for you. It's a very smart vacuum cleaner that way. So I'm just going to go ahead and turn it on. You'll see that it'll be in the auto setting, and then this red will go up as it gets more debris in it. Obviously, that wasn't too hard of a task for the vacuum cleaner because it handled it very well. But if you wanted to get more debris and throw it down, you would see the red bar even go further up. And that's how the lights work. It's really smart, it's really nice, very intuitive. You can just leave your vacuum on auto and enjoy your vacuuming experience.